Well, dear friends, this gives me immense pleasure to be among us, a huge crowd today, because we are not in the habit of having a crowd as much as we have these days. Students are the crown of this institution, and it's you who have to make sure that this crown always remains in shine, in gloss, in sheen, in sparkle. By your presence, by your dedication, by your perseverance, and by your discipline. Of late, we came across some episodes here in the school premises which were somewhat heart-wrenching. Some of the students, they misbehaved our worthy teachers, and later on, when we called the inquiry commission on that, the committee suggested that the students have become very ruthless these days. They have become indisciplined. And we need to know, where does this indiscipline arise from? What is the foundation of this indiscipline? It's because of something that we carry from home to school. Within our premises, we have our serene atmosphere. We have our beautiful campus. We have got outstanding teachers, so helpful teachers. They can go any extent to help you out getting your problems resolved. What else you want? This is only from home that you are getting something, a kind of virus into your minds, and then that virus spreads here in the school as well. And that virus is nothing but indiscipline. You don't have the faculty of senses contemplating on the fact that what teaching means to you. It's in all religions. Leave aside Islam. That after parents, if somebody has a massive role in your life, that is none other than the teacher. And when you show your indiscipline, you become argumentative with your teachers. Parvez, you become argumentative with your teachers. That speaks very bad about. My dear friends, it's our endeavor. We have to always be in these, attempts to make sure that we do all what we can.